Hey guys, Zar here. Hope all is well. It's 9:32. I thought I would film the opening here because I'm seeing something that could be interesting here on the Dow. Breaking into a clean traffic zone here. About to cough. Give me one moment. Sorry about that. I muted the microphone and had to cough. Very dry air in here. Looking for a push up here. I'm going to move from the 30 down to the 5 minute here momentarily. Watching. Let's take a look at the three sisters. The NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow on the far right. All doing about the same thing above VWAP. 1 minute charts. Consistency, congruency for the most part for now. So that's important information. Prices above both EMAs, and it's a positive moving average configuration, which is bullish. Back to the trading grid. There's that 1 minute chart again on the right hand side, but this is just the Dow. Daily up in the top left, bullish, but an inside candle from yesterday's action. I rarely trade within the first 10 minutes of the open. We are 4 minutes into the open. So I just wanted to set the stage there, guys. So I'll put you on pause and bring you back. Switched over to the 10-minute chart here on the left-hand side. You'll see we're breaking down back into the opening range here. And so nothing for me to do except to continue to watch this. Let me bring this back up again. This is the 10-minute chart. It was the 5 when I went on pause, and this is 15. Back to the 30. I'm going to sit here on the 30 for now. Watching the three sisters patiently here. Nothing for me to do. Put you back on pause. All right, back to the 10-minute chart here, guys, which closes, or this candle, pardon me, closes in 18 seconds. Call it 15 seconds now, and we're back into the range. Back on pause. Guys, I'm back. Taking it along right here. I'm going to pull back to that white line. You see that there, and I'm in right now. Darn, I got a late execution on my platform. It's okay. I'm looking for 30 points here. Risking 20 to make 30. And now the waiting game. I want to show you this. Three sisters. This is important to the trade. It's 9:51, by the way, so 20 minutes into the session. I sat through the open market chaos, as I like to call it. All three trading above VWAP. Bullish daily, pardon me. Sorry guys, watching a few things here from my group. Bullish daily candle, but an inside day from yesterday. In other words, yesterday's high was higher than today's high so far. Yesterday's low was lower than today's low so far. This is sort of a version of a cup with a handle type pattern. Loosely on the micro scale. I'm going to move you to the 2-minute chart here. And back to the 1. You can see it easier with the 1. Dow not cooperating. The other 2, of the 3. Looking firmer. Positive moving average configurations. The Dow failing here. Not looking positive there, guys. Divergence. It's an unfortunate. So you notice the bullish move, and then bearish move. The Dow, the one I happen to be in, is going in the opposite direction. It happens. I've already had 1 trade today. It was a loser. Looks like I might have 2 losses back to back here. We'll see. I haven't had that for a long time. I can't remember the last time I had 2 back-to-back losses. It was certainly weeks and weeks ago, if not months ago. All right, let's see if we can stay alive here. So I'll show it to you. NASDAQ, S&P, Dow just not participating right now. But looking for it to be dragged up here. I'm going to move this to a 25-point target instead, guys. A little more realistic. As a matter of fact, it's going to move it to a 20. This is very sluggish. If I can get 20 out of this, I'd be, survive this, I'd be happy. Again, it's my second trade of the day. First trade was a loser, 12-point loser. It's a routine loss. I mean, not a big deal. I'm very unemotional when it comes to these matters. So this is a trend continuation trade. With anticipating zone break, but it's a little bit of a slightly different than you see me do here. But it's a bullish daily. It's a bullish 30 and a bullish continuation pattern here on the 1-minute, 2-minute, and 3-minute charts as well. All of them saying the same thing. The thing that you might be struggling with is why I would be buying into a zone. Well, this zone was already penetrated quite deeply, as a matter of fact. The consolidation was the top wick, but still within the context of that trend continuation or that momentum play, Tcon, if you will. And so that's the trade idea. Being patient now, you'll see the 3 sisters cooperating. See that? Boom, boom, and now finally the Dow doing a little bit here on the upside, but really lagging. I'll be protecting this as quickly as I can. I may have to do it now. Sloppy open, messy open. Guys, we've had that quite a lot lately. One of the reasons why I don't trade in the first 10 minutes for the most part. You'll almost never see me do it, actually. But look at this VIX. VIX is 13.3, way down below 20. It's difficult for day traders to make money with a VIX below 20. And with a VIX below 18 or 19, very difficult. Below 14 is super hard. And I know that. I get contacted by traders every day, sometimes all day. And I know how traders are struggling. And you can see me struggling here in this trade right now, right? This would normally just kind of, if VIX was 20 or over, this would normally just kind of, this is the type of setup that would play out very quickly and easily, but is not in this sleeping, low volatility, implied volatility environment that we're in right now. Sticking with it, being patient. so you'll rarely see me buy into a zone like that. But it's very important that the time of day, or in the first half hour of the day, some of these things are negated because of that, because of the increased caffeine and fuel injection at this time of day. The other thing is this whole notion of trend continuation, and then the support from the other sisters, very important to this as well. Looking for one big push here for the 20 points. Let's see if we can get it here. Things are taking lots of patience these days. And I'm pretty good with patience. I talk myself through it. You hear my tonality. I talk about my physiology, releasing muscle tension, all these important things in managing these trades. One more big push. Can we do it? I think we can. Maybe I spoke too soon. Moving my stop to break even, guys. Very high chance of being stopped out now at break even, and I'm okay with that. I'm going to change this 30-minute chart to 15, and then to a 10, and then to a 5, and then back to the 30. Just wanted to see something there. NASDAQ is no longer cooperating. It's actually breaking down. That's going to put weight on the Dow, unfortunately. And so this could very easily be a stop out at break even. Just to be clear, I would not take this buy that I just took anytime after about the first hour of the session. The early fuel injection and caffeine is very important to this trend continuation trade. One more big push. And there it is, guys. I'm out. Thank you for being with me today. I'm sure we'll see you again later for some more trades. We'll see how this pans out. Please click the like button on the way out if you don't mind, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Take care, guys. Thanks again. Bye-bye.